going on, guys? Adam here. You are watching Tennessee Lawn Care. If you guys are just now following me, I'm flying solo right now. Just got the Ferris loaded up. Chase is not. He's working. He's doing his hero job today. And so that leaves me solo. Now I need to get out and set the brake on the Ferris because it's rolling around on the trailer. Alright, now that we got that done, so anyways, that leaves me flying solo. I don't have a whole bunch of stuff to do, but it rained yesterday. Monday and Tuesday are generally the light days for Tennessee Lawn Care. We don't have a whole bunch of stuff on the schedule, but if you combine the 2 days together, it can be quite a bit of stuff. So with that being said, we got some yards we got to do. So that leaves me solo, and we got to get at it. Hopefully the rain can hold off for me to get this done, because who knows what's happening tomorrow on Wednesday. So let's get down here and get after it. All right, guys, we're at this yard here behind, right here. Get this one done. It's a weekly. Me and Chase had to cut this tree out right here, so we got some stuff left to cut off of it. They didn't want to get the stump removed, but you know, we got to get it cut all the way down. Just the chains on the saws, they just didn't we got to put new chains on the saws. So with that being said, there was just no way. It's so thick down there on the bottom, there's just no way we would have been able to get that done. So let's get this cut. Alright, guys, I'm done that one back there. It is currently 6 p.m. I've been hustling, trying to get this stuff done. I've got 2 more left to get done before dark. I'm going to try to get a little more footage. And if I can, this next yard that I'm going to, there's really not a... I should be able to get on and off in that one pretty quick, because there's really hardly nothing to do in the backyard. So hopefully I can get on and off of this one real quick before I do this last one, because the last one's the normal cut. Like, I mean, you got front yard, backyard, all the trimming, everything, and it's every 2-week yard. So hopefully we can get this one knocked out before dark, or the last one knocked out before dark. So, because I don't know what it's going to do tomorrow. It could rain. I don't know. They're talking scattered showers, isolated scattered showers. So only time will tell tomorrow. We'll only know tomorrow. So the news and stuff, the weather's so hit and miss as far as prediction goes nowadays, that you just don't know what it's going to do. So that's what I'm struggling with right now, which is not a big deal, because, you know, Chase is about to be back with me for the rest of the week. So, you know, we can get a lot of stuff done when it's me and him. So hopefully with that being done, or hopefully with that being said, we should have no problem getting things done. So just stay tuned. All right, guys, I've got this one right here behind me to do. Hopefully it don't come out and catch me. It's a little awkward when a customer catches you filming yourself. So I'm gonna try to bring the little bitty GoPro, the little GoPro Sessions, because it's a little more, it's not as conspicuous as my main camera. So I think what I'm gonna do is get a little mowing montage for you, get this one knocked out, close the video out. So let's get it on. Guys, that is a wrap for the day. Whew, I'm hot, ready to get to the house, grab something to eat. Hopefully you guys can see me okay. I know the low light is not that great in the GoPros, so, but anyways, like I said, that's it for the day. That's a wrap. Sorry the personality and everything wasn't in there. It's just me. What can you say? I will say me and Chase have been searching around, looking at some other standards and all that stuff, and man, boy, do we kick ourselves in the rear end for this, because we both really like Hustler, and I did not know Hustler made a standard. It's called a Super S. I didn't know that Hustler made a standard. If we'd have known that, we'd have a Hustler back there instead of a Ferris, because, you know, we would really like to have the whole thing. Now, don't get me wrong, I love Exmark. I love my Exmark. It's been very good to me. That mower has got a lot of hours on it, guys, and, you know, if you don't, you'll see what I cut. If you're new to my channel and you're just updated on some of my new videos, go back and look at some of my older videos. You'll see how much property we cut. I put over 1,000 hours on that mower last year, and you know, so it's been very good to me. I mean, the only thing that I did to that mower last year was put a PTO clutch on it to engage the blades. That's all I did to that mower last year. Well, I put tires on it, but that's normal wear and tear. But that's the only thing. In 1,000 hours, that's all I did to that mower was put a PTO clutch on it. So we don't really know. It's a toss-up between Hustler and Exmark. The reason why we got the Ferris was because, one, of the price. It's almost $2,000 cheaper than the Exmark Vantage. Two, the design of it. We kind of liked how you're able to step into the back of it. That's the reason. Another reason why I didn't really care too much for the platform, but now Chase likes the Vantage because you can put the platform up and walk behind it if you have to. So I mean, that's one of the personal preferences type deals there. We love Exmark and we love Hustler. So, but that's later on for next year. We do have to get a new zero turn for next year, and we don't know if we're going to roll all standards next year or keep the zero turn and a standard on. So, trailer comes first though. We really like to get a 7 foot wide, 16 to 18 foot trailer. So, but anyways, guys, I'm about to pull up at my house. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, keep mowing, never stop.